Hey everyone, I'm Leo, and I've always wondered why some videos on YouTube get millions of views and others, well, not so many. Is it just luck?
Not at all, Leo. It's not magic. There's a secret brain behind YouTube, and today we're going to crack its code.
A secret brain? Sounds complicated.
Don't worry, we'll explore how YouTube decides what you see, how it reads your videos, and most importantly, how you can make videos that this YouTube brain, we call it the algorithm, absolutely loves.
So whether you want to share your hobbies, teach something cool, or just make fun videos for your friends, understanding this brain will help your videos get seen by more people all around the world.
So what is this YouTube algorithm, really? Imagine YouTube has a super smart friend. This friend's job is to know exactly what you like to watch. It wants to keep you happy and watching for as long as possible.
Like a super-powered personal shopper for videos? That's cool.
Exactly. It learns from what you watch, what you skip, and what you search for to show you more of what you love.
But why does YouTube want us to watch more? Is it just for fun?
It's simple. The more you watch, the more ads you see. And ads mean money for YouTube and for the people who make the videos. So YouTube wants to show you videos you'll really enjoy.
Ah, I get it. So the algorithm can't actually watch my video like I do. How does it know if my video is good?
You're right, it can't. Instead, it looks for clues, like secret signals, to decide if your video is good. Think of it like a detective looking for clues. All right, Leo, let's break down these secret signals.
Signal number 1. I've heard about this one. The click me signal.
Perfect. Your video's title and thumbnail are like its front door. If they look exciting and interesting, more people will click. This is called your click-through rate, or CTR. A high CTR tells YouTube, hey, this video looks interesting.
Okay, so get them to click. What's next?
Next, the stay and watch signal.
Oh, so it's not just clicking, it's watching.
Exactly. If viewers watch for a long time and watch most of your video, it's a huge signal that your content is awesome. This is called watch time and audience retention. YouTube loves videos that keep people watching until the very end.
Got it. What about when people leave comments?
That's the talk back signal.
So when viewers interact, it tells YouTube, hey, this video is making people think and talk. This is called engagement. The more likes, comments, and shares, the better.
You're learning fast. Next, the what's it about signal.
So I need to use secret words, keywords, in my video's title, description, and tags?
Yes, even the words you say in your video help YouTube understand. This is how it matches your video to what people are searching for.
And finally, the always there signal.
That's right. It's like being a reliable friend. This helps your channel grow and get recommended more often.
Okay, Maya, I know the signals. Now, how do I actually make videos that the algorithm will absolutely adore? Give me the superpowers.
You got it. Superpower 1, the wow hook.
I definitely click away from slow videos.
So keep things fast and exciting. Cut out anything that doesn't need to be there. Use quick cuts, add text on screen, show different pictures or videos, and don't talk too slowly. For learning videos, try to change the picture every 5 to 10 seconds.
Superpower 3, talk to your audience.
What do you think about this? Then read and reply to their comments. This makes them feel special and connected to you.
Superpower 4, smart titles and thumbnails.
Your title and thumbnail are like your video's best outfit. Make them look amazing and tell people exactly what your video is about. No tricks. If your video is about how to draw a cat, make sure the title says that clearly and the thumbnail shows a cute cat drawing.
And finally, Superpower 5, quality matters.
You don't need expensive cameras. Good lighting, like from a window, and clear sound, even from a simple microphone, make a huge difference. People will stay longer if they can see and hear you clearly.
Maya, I've seen so many learning videos on YouTube. Is there a reason why YouTube seems to like them so much?
Great question, Leo. Did you know that educational content is a YouTube superstar?
Really? Why?
It's true. YouTube really loves videos that teach people new things. Why? Because when you learn, you watch for longer, and you feel super satisfied. This is perfect for the algorithm.
So it's good for watch time.
Exactly. Also, big companies love to put ads on learning videos because they know smart, engaged people are watching. This means more money for creators in this area.
What if a learning video talks about something serious, like history or science that might be a bit graphic?
That's where the cool secret comes in, the SMART exception, or EDSA rule.
That's awesome. So who are some of these YouTube learning heroes?
Let's look at some examples. Kurzgesagt, in a nutshell, they explain super complex science with amazing colorful animations and clear stories. They make learning feel like an adventure. Vsauce. This channel asks mind-blowing questions like, what if everyone jumped at once? And explores them in a super curious way. They make you think. TED-Ed/Crash Course. These channels take tough school subjects and make them easy and fast to understand with cool animations and quick explanations. So, to recap, the YouTube algorithm wants to make viewers happy.
And I need to focus on making videos that are interesting, useful, and keep people watching.
Now it's your turn. What kind of video will you make? Share your ideas in the comments below.
If this video helped you understand the YouTube code, hit that like button.
And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to make your videos shine.
The YouTube world is waiting for your amazing ideas.
Go create something awesome.
See you next time.